Yo, what's that word, Trap Squad? Today we got that Pistol P Presto, Mally G, Tap In Part 2. Shot by Nico Nail. Hey, y'all already know I be rocking with them. They shit slide, Pistol, they little Presto slide, you feel me? That told my son will be like, that shit slide. Little Mally G shit, his shit slide. So, we finna see how they coming on this motherfucker. We ain't gonna say too much, you feel me? We gonna get straight into it, no cap. But yeah, I'm probably rocking with that shit. So I was gonna say something about the raw ass beat. This sound like some shit PGF Nut done rapped on. These niggas got Christmas color switches on their Glocks. These niggas here. Oh, they straight dissing. I gotta sit up.
Straight up. That's my hat.
This beat.
Bro, we fighting over that. Nah, nigga, that's my hat.
Nigga, what the fuck? These niggas really do not like my nigga Mo Pizzle for what? What Mo Pizzle did to y'all? What Mo P did to y'all? You feel me? Listen what he say.
I've been not catch no Mo P nigga. Straight up. That's my hat. Nah, bro, we fighting over that. Nah, nigga, that's my hat. I want that.
Nigga, what? What the fuck? These niggas in the booth. Hey, Mally on bro, that's my hat, you hear me? Nah, nigga, that's my hat. What? We could throw them bitches up right now. What the fuck? You crashing out like that? The song didn't even start.
Alright, yeah. You know what? Who spot him got him. We 4 deep in the max, hit the 14 pistol scratching. My first month thought I'm slapping, favorite off, I got a crack. Catch me pulling that backwards, book a hit and pull out rapping. Molly known for shoot bastard, do a show, don't try to grab me. This an A6 and Audi, hit the gas like call up Loudy. Wanna know something about me? I'm a bad guy, killers round me.
Hey, oh my mama though. All of this and fuck all of this and hey, that boy Presto be sliding. Oh me, that boy be sliding. He's hey.
Molly known for shoot bastard, do a show, don't try to grab me. This an A6 and Audi, hit the gas like call up Loudy. Wanna know something about me? I'm a bad guy, killers round me. What happened in the alley? Lil' bro, he went out so badly. On my head, it's a bounty. Heard that China lost and found me. Pistol chase and I chase. Gotta blend in straight. I be serving them races. I put Drake in niggas' face. Roll a bop and I taste. Kill my PR and drop me late.
See, this where niggas fuck up though. You see, I'm bopping to that bitch, I'm vibing to that bitch, you feel me? Yeah, that bitch slide. That bitch slide, but then he dissing, it's like, damn, twin. You gon' say some shit in the middle of me bopping to this bitch. Now I gotta sit back cause like, damn, twin. Damn. Where you go? How you coming though?
They spoke on John and Richie, catch they ass and blow them down. One time we bring out Meeski rounds, catch they ass, know it's going down.
Uh-huh.
I'm fully right now, y'all went through that shit, now fully the crowd. Robo back me up, he smacking the 10 the better, we make niggas push me down.
Uh-huh.
None of them hit shit, tell me right now, they really some shooters. My
Uh-huh.
deal shit, walk up, kill, ain't get better than that, is you stupid.
Uh-huh. They sliding.
Like damn, this sound like the Uzi, meet at the top and I know it don't use. Got walk on runs, no bump, no punch, no man's gon' have me slow. I push all in the trunk, bitch tryna hump her ass, better not play dumb. Bitch, we'll clap you in, whoever tryna back you up. See, folks be doing too much behind the wheel, he always acting up. Oh yeah, you acting tough, don't run, cause you fast as fuck.
He said, see, Father, bro, he be tripping, Dick. He be tripping. He be doing too much, bro. He be doing too much. Dick, let me behind the wheel. Fuck you talking about. He said, look, bro, he be tweaking.
Bitch, we'll clap you in, whoever tryna back you up. See, folks be doing too much behind the wheel, he always acting up. Oh yeah, you acting tough, don't run, cause these run fast as fuck. We marking feet.
Christmas Glock switches.
That's a scary sight, been out buck, know you at that light. Don't have they ass like Jesus Christ, for real, don't let them take my life. Catch they ass, they dead, boy, better stay on that shit you said. I'll show them how to really tap a head, I'll show them how to knock off some dread. Murder that button on the Glock.
That fuck nigga slid on me. Bro just slid, bro. No cat, he just slid that motherfucker. No cat, he just slid that motherfucker, boy. No cap. That fuck nigga. Hold up. Hey, I ain't gonna cat LaValley hard, boy. Hold on, let me pull my shit back up. Hold up. Hey. Hey, that boy just slid, boy. What you say? Uh-huh. Hey. Hey, I ain't even for the cap, boy. Hey, them boys slid too hard. Minus the little diss and shit. Hey. Minus the little diss and shit. Hey, them boys did what the fuck they was supposed to on that beat. Motherfucker executed. Hey, walk that one down on me. Trap Squad, y'all let me know how y'all rocking with that one. I'm rocking with that one too heavy. I'm dropping that tomorrow. You feel me? Dropping that right tomorrow. Trap Squad, if you made it to the next one, we out.